When selling your home, are you required to make any repairs requested by a buyer? Hey, I'm Eric Peterson, broker and owner of Kopa Real Estate here in Austin, Texas. In some states, the buyer provides a copy of the inspection report to the seller, and the seller may be required to make any of those repairs that are mentioned on the inspection report. Fortunately, that's not how things are done here in Texas. In Texas, our contracts come with what's called a termination period. This is often a 7-day period where the buyer will have your home inspected. At that time, if there are any deficiencies, the buyer might ask you to make some repairs or perhaps give them a financial credit. But you as a seller are under no obligation to make those repairs. This becomes a secondary negotiation, and we just have to come to an agreement at that time. We can walk you through that process when you get during that termination period of your home. When you're ready to list your home, give me a call at 512-791-7473. We can talk about what items might pop up on an inspection report, things you might want to take care of in advance, and things that we don't think you do have to worry about being negotiated later on. Thanks for watching, and make it a great day.